The Prism Freeway T70 self-propelling shower chair. Let's look at the key features. Footplates. The footrests are fully adjustable and come in 3 versions. Standard, which adjusts from the floor to 195 mm. Raised, giving 60, 90, or 120 mm from standard. And the heavy-duty footrests. As this is a self-propelling commode, let us quickly demonstrate the brakes and how easy it is to apply, release, and push away. Arm sets. The armrests are easily removed. 3 options are available: standard, half wide, adding an additional 50 mm, or wide, which offers 100 mm at each side. And these are locked in with a thumb screw. Cushions are available in 3 widths: 17, 19, and 21 inches. There are 2 materials available: Dartex or vinyl, which comes as standard. There are 3 types of cushions: horseshoe, fully padded, or ring. And there are 3 aperture sizes: small, medium, and large. A unique feature of the Prism Freeway range is the additional options to have a left or right side access aperture. There are 3 push handle options: horizontal, vertical, and finally the pram handle. Please note, the self-propelling wheels come with push rims as standard.